TaxGPT for Business Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are provided in the description for your convenience. TaxGPT is an innovative AI-driven tax tool designed to help businesses streamline their tax processes and optimize their financial strategies. Tailored for small to medium-sized businesses, freelancers, and accountants, TaxGPT leverages advanced natural language processing (NLP) to provide smart tax advice, automate calculations, and generate tax reports with ease. This tool simplifies the tax filing process by offering real-time assistance through an intuitive interface that allows users to interact with the platform as they would with a tax professional, reducing the need for external advisors in many cases. One of the standout features of TaxGPT is its ability to answer complex tax-related queries using conversational AI, providing personalized advice based on your unique financial situation. It can automatically suggest deductions, optimize tax strategies, and offer insight into how changes in financial data could impact your tax liabilities. TaxGPT also integrates seamlessly with accounting tools like QuickBooks and Xero, ensuring that all of your business data is up to date and accurately reflected in the system for tax filings. Additionally, it includes a tax calculator that helps estimate potential refunds or liabilities before filing, giving businesses a clearer picture of their financial standing. However, while TaxGPT excels in providing basic to intermediate tax advice and automating straightforward tax tasks, it may fall short for businesses with more complex tax needs. Advanced tax scenarios, like those involving multi-state filings or international tax strategies, may require more specialized solutions. Furthermore, businesses with intricate corporate structures may find TaxGPT less customizable in addressing their specific requirements. Overall, TaxGPT is a valuable tool for businesses looking to simplify their tax processes and maximize deductions with ease. Its AI-driven features make it a strong option for small to mid-sized businesses and freelancers, but larger organizations or those with more complex needs may require additional support. Check the description for more details.